So.
And I drink custom.
My name is Chester. Welcome to Fuel Plus Healthy Test Kitchen. We believe eating healthy includes cooking healthy at home. Today we're going to make my favorite low-carb egg frittata muffin. I love it for myself, but especially good when a friend needs individual customization. Before I start, hit that subscribe button so you can get more healthy cooking video like this. If you have any question about the recipe, post in the comment below. Let's get started. Today's ingredients includes eggs, some baking powder, sesame seed, crumbled feta cheese or cheese of your choice. In terms of vegetable, I got an orange pepper, some mushroom, along with a shallot and garlic. Now let's preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and use some olive oil and a brush to slick up each of the muffin molds we're going to use. Next, some garlic. I have 3 cloves here, just roughly chop them up. Moving on to the orange pepper. Just dice it up any way you know how. Next is a shallot. I like a finer chop for this, but that's just my preference. We got some chive, chop those up as well. Finally, the mushrooms. They're just simple brown cat mushrooms, roughly chop those up. Now we take our greased up muffin tin and put all the vegetable ingredients into it for a bit of initial browning. Grab your joystick of choice and stir it up with olive oil. While we wait, let's make the egg mixture. Use an egg per muffin, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of MCT oil, and 4 tablespoons of feta cheese along with salt and pepper, and stir it all together. As the vegetable sizzles, carefully take it out and pour the egg mixture into each muffin mold while you stir. Put it back into the oven for another 7 minutes. Use a knife to make sure the muffin isn't sticking to the side, then scoop it out with a spoon. Garnish it with the freshly chopped chives and sesame seed and you're ready to serve. There you go. Here's our low-carb egg frittata muffin. Please hit the like button, share it with a friend who's in keto or low-carb diet. Also, if you're in Canada and like to pick up our MCT oil, it's available on Amazon. I'll put that link in the description box below. If you have any questions, comment below or email us at info@fuelplus.ca. Follow us on Instagram or Twitter @fuelplus. See you around.